ABT support and resistance levels technical analysis, April 21 to July 18. Overview. Abbott Laboratories ABT exhibited significant volatility from April 21 to July 18. The price rose from an opening of 130.97 on April 21 to a peak of 139.06 on June 24, before declining sharply to a low of 119.77 on July 17 and closing at 123.67 on July 18, reflecting a 5.6% decrease from the starting point. Notable volume spikes occurred on July 17, 27,560,609 shares, July 18, 19,571,878 shares, and June 20, 11,338,182 shares, compared to an average volume of about 5 to 10 million shares. Technical indicators RSI 31.86, StochRSI K 39.05, CCI negative 257.45 suggest the stock is in oversold territory with strong bearish momentum, indicating potential for a reversal or consolidation. This analysis identifies key support and resistance levels based on price action, volume, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and technical indicators. Support levels. 123.67 July 18 close. The July 18 closing price of 123.67 with a volume of 19,571,878 shares serves as the immediate support level. Significance. This level is above the Bollinger lower band, 124.80, and supported by a significant volume spike, indicating a potential base for short-term stabilization. 120.51 July 17 close. The July 17 closing price of 120.51 with a volume of 27,560,609 shares is a critical near-term support level. Significance. This level aligns with the recent low, 119.77, and is reinforced by an exceptionally high volume, marking a strong support zone. 128.56 May 14 close. The May 14 closing price of 128.56 with a volume of 5,267,034 shares represents a strong midterm support level. Significance. This level is close to the 50-day SMA, 132.80, and supported by prior price action, indicating a potential consolidation point. 129.84 April 23 close. The April 23 closing price of 129.84 with a volume of 8,777,184 shares is a long-term support level. Significance. This level aligns with the 200-day EMA, 132.12, and is supported by significant volume, marking a robust historical base. Resistance levels. 132.02 July 11 close. The July 11 closing price of 132.02 with a volume of 4,661,568 shares is the immediate resistance level. Significance. This level aligns with the 20-day SMA, 134.36, and is supported by recent price action, indicating a near-term barrier. 136.45 June 12 high. The June 12 high of 136.45 with a volume of 5,089,115 shares serves as a key resistance level. Significance. This level corresponds to a prior peak and aligns with the Bollinger upper band, 140.79, supported by moderate volume. 137.40 June 25 close. The June 25 closing price of 137.40 with a volume of 5,507,492 shares is a significant resistance level. Significance. This level is near the 5-day EMA, 134.90, and is supported by a high-volume rally, marking a strong barrier. 139.06 June 24 high. The June 24 high of 139.06 with a volume of 9,894,809 shares represents a major resistance level. Significance. This level marks the period's peak and aligns with the PSAR 138.17, reinforced by a significant volume spike. Technical indicators and support resistance relationship. RSI 1431.86. RSI is in oversold territory, less than 30, suggesting strong buying potential near 123.67 or 120.51 supports. A move above 50 could target 132.02 or 136.45 resistances. StochRSI K5 39.05. StochRSI indicates a potential reversal from oversold conditions, reinforcing 123.67 as a key support. A rise above 50 could signal a move toward 136.45 resistance. CCI 20 negative 257.45. The deeply negative CCI reflects strong bearish momentum, supporting 120.51 and 123.67 as critical supports. A move above negative 100 could indicate a test of 132.02 or 137.40. MFI 1440.20. The money flow index is in neutral territory, indicating balanced buying/selling pressure. This supports 123.67 as a base and 136.45 as a resistance. MACD negative 1.89, histogram negative 1.28. The negative MACD and histogram confirm bearish momentum, reinforcing 120.51 and 123.67 supports. A positive crossover could signal a move toward 136.45 resistance. R1 oscillator negative 78.57. The negative R1 oscillator indicates bearish trends, supporting 120.51 as a strong base. A move above zero could target 139.06 resistance. OBV 40,865,447. On balance, volume shows significant accumulation on June 20, 11,338,182 shares, and July 17, 27,560,609 shares, reinforcing 120.51 and 139.06 as supports and resistances, with volume significantly above the average, about 5 to 10 million shares. Next trading day outlook, the July 18 close at 123.67, combined with RSI 31.86, StochRSI K 39.05, and CCI negative 257.45, indicates oversold conditions with potential for a reversal. The opening price is expected to range between 120.50 and 126.84, with 123.67 as a pivot support. A breakout above 132.02 with volume greater than 15 million shares could target 136.45, while a drop below 123.67 could test 120.51 support. Conclusion and strategy. Support strategy 123.67 and 120.51 offer near-term buying opportunities, with 128.56 as a strong mid-term base, supported by high volume. Volume spikes greater than 15 million shares can confirm these levels. Resistance strategy 132.02 is the immediate resistance, with 136.45 and 139.06 as secondary barriers. A breakout above 136.45 requires volume greater than 15 million shares. Oversold indicators suggest caution near resistances. Risk management. For short-term trades, set stop loss below 123.67. For longer-term trades, below 120.51. Profit taking near 136.45 is advisable due to strong resistance. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. See you later.